Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. Today we're doing an awesome Temu haul and I'm so excited because I'm so in love with Temu. If you want to give it a try, in the description box down below, you're going to find the link to them so you can go and check them out. And they gave me a coupon code for all of you for an extra 30% off your entire order if you're a new user. As a special treat for all of you, if you download their app and use my code, you can use it for a second time. Let's jump into this haul. And the first thing we have are this beautiful wall art. I'm so in love with them for only $6.99. You will see them. They have a beautiful quality. Let me just open them so you can see them because I'm in love with these ones. I just hung them on a canvas type of thingy and they look beautiful. Look at this. Look at those colors. They look so beautiful and so high-end. No one would ever believe that you just paid $6.99 for this 3 beautiful wall art. Look at that. I'm in love with these ones and they go so well with my living room. Let me know what you think about these ones in the comments below because, yeah, I'm so biased and these ones are my favorites. Next, we have this beautiful fabric and these are fabric squares and I got them for $1.49. And look at this. They are big fabric squares. Look at that. So beautiful. I love those colors for summer. I'm so in love with these ones. I cannot wait to craft with them. Now, we have this beautiful painting palette. And this one is just to add your colors so you can paint. And I got it for $2.89. Now we have felt right here and look at these colors. I just love the variety on this package for $2.49. They are awesome. Look at that. So many colors. I cannot wait to craft with all of these. Let me know what you think about this block in the comment below because, yeah, they are so beautiful. Look at that. So awesome. Now we have this cutie and I just love it. It is kind of a wreath made out of rope and for $3.39. It's awesome because you cannot find something like this out there for only $3.39. Look at that. So beautiful and so well made. I cannot wait to make this more beautiful and add some thingies to it. Now we have this beautiful sign. It is a wooden sign for $1.29. Let me just open it over here. And you will see it's so cute. You can use it like this or you can craft with it because it's solid wood and it comes with its twine for $1.29. It's awesome. Now we have this beautiful sign as well for $1.89. And this one is a mason jar as well with wood. It is made out of wood and it is solid and it is a bit heavy, but it is so cute. You can craft on it as well. Now we're going to move on to this beautiful banner garland. And look at that. It comes with its twine for $2.49. And we have 6 pieces of this banner garland that you can craft on both sides. They are just awesome. On solid wood, I just love them. And now we're going to move on to this spreading spatula kind of thingy. And this one, it's to spread icing. But I'm going to use it for my fake bakes. And for 79 cents, it's awesome. I cannot wait to work with this. Now we have this brush. And this one is for using with your shampoo or conditioner. And it is so awesome. It's a silicone one. And for $1.29, it's just awesome. Let me open it so you can see it. It's really good quality. Look at that. So awesome. Love it. I used it and I love it. It's so awesome to wash your hair. My kids are in love with it as well. And now we have these beautiful straws. Those are lemon straws. And I'm going to use them for my fake bakes. And they cost only 79 cents. So they are just awesome, and they come with this cute lemon wedges. Now we're going to move on to this awesome molds. Let me just open them. They cost $3.49, and they come with, I think, 5 of them. Let me just check them out. We have that round one. Let me just get that plastic over there. We have this square one or rectangular one. We have this oval, number 3, and they are silicone. And we have the square one, and we have a heart-shaped one. 5 molds. So awesome. Now we have this sign, and this one is 119. It's as well a wooden sign that you can use like that, or you can DIY over it because it's solid wood and you can make anything out of it. But it is so cute. I just love it. I had a Shih Tzu before, and I just love this sign. It's so beautiful. Look at that cute face. Now moving on, I have this soap dispenser, and I just love it because it is a black bottle for $169. Let me just get it out of the plastic. Here you can see it, and I just love it. It is plastic safe for the kids, so it is just perfect. Now we have this beautiful sign as well, wood sign for $149, and it is perfect for the summer. Let me just show you. Comes with its twine to the beach. I just love it. And I just love those colors that they use for this one. So perfect to craft with or to leave it as is. Now we have this piping bags for $2.99. It comes with 100 piping bags. And I just use so many piping bags for my fake bakes that I just love that I could get 100 piping bags. Let me just show you one. Let me just get just one because I took out many of them. Here you can see it. There you put your icing, and you can use it as your piping bag. It is just perfect. It's disposable, and for $2.99, it's perfect. Now we have this small half beads. Look at that. Those are wooden beads for $119, and I just love that they are smaller and they are just perfect to make borders on my crafts. You will see these ones really soon because I just love how small and cute they are. Now moving on, we have these dotters or dotting tools. Let me just get them out of the package so you can see they have different shapes or styles of dots, and they are only $149. Now I have them. Let me show you. Here they have the same size. Now let's flip it over, and yes, you can see we have bigger, smaller, and almost non-existent dots. So tiny and so perfect for many DIYs. Now we have this beautiful sign for $129, and I just love it. So springy, so cute. It is solid wood as well. Let me just get it out of the package. And it comes as well with its twine, so you can hang it. You can use it as is because it's beautiful, or you can craft on it like I'm gonna do with this one. So beautiful. Just love it. Now we have rope, and this one is kind of a twine type of rope, and I just love it because it is thin enough that you can craft lots of things, but thick enough that it is not twine, and it costs only $7.99. This is a bargain. I just love it, and look at that. I have so many ideas. Now the last thing we have is this aluminum tins, and I'm gonna use them for my fake bakes for $139. And you can make tarts on them, real ones or fake ones. Look at that, so cute. It comes 10 on a package, and I just love them, and I cannot wait to start crafting with them. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media, so you can go and check me out over there. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. Here you can see all of them together, and I got so many beautiful and awesome things for so little amount of money. I just love Temu, And they have an awesome program to help all of you by earning a good side income. Anyone can join and earn up to 20% commission. Check the link below if you're interested on joining the Temu family. As well, check out all of these beautiful things that I got from Temu. You're gonna love them. And check them out and check everything that they have over there because you're gonna love them as much as I do. I'm obsessed with them. Look how many beautiful things I got to craft this season. I cannot wait to start crafting with all of them. And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all of this. And remember to share this video with a friend because that's a free way to help this girl out. It lets YouTube know that you like this type of content and it will recommend it to other beauties like yourself. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.